Hi YouTubers, I'm Beth and I'm back with another episode of How I'm Doing It. Today I want to show you that I made another large purchase from Schoola.com. This is one of my favorite clothing websites. They sell clothing for the whole family online. Men, women, boys, and girls. And the neat thing about Schoola is that they redirect profits back to local schools. So people send in clothing as donations. Schoola organizes the sales of those donated clothes and packages them and mails them out to people who order them. And then the schools benefit. So as you can see today in my email confirmation, it says your purchase from Schoola has sent $4.27 to the Malala Fund and other schools where it will empower girls around the world through quality secondary education. Now, let me scroll down a little bit past my billing information so I can show you some of what I have bought. You're going to be really surprised at the price at the end, okay? So this is several different things. Right here, these are 2 items for my youngest son. He said he wanted some more pants. Even though we're going into summer, he really wanted some pants, some long pants. And he chose these 2 sets of pants. So we've got a camo set and then a gray, looks like sweatpants types of pants that he will enjoy. Now, I also ordered a lot of LL Bean and Talbot's shirts. So you can see I've got gray long sleeve, red long sleeve, light blue short sleeve, magenta short sleeve, a light green long sleeve, a medium green long sleeve. Now let me roll up a little bit. This is now a medium, kind of a light blue short sleeve, another red long sleeve, and a navy blue short sleeve. Now, I've got 2 red long sleeve, but if you could see the price that I'm paying at the very end, you would be floored and understand why I did. And although you can't really see it on this picture, when I zoom in on the neckline on the website, the necklines are different. So I was very excited about that. Now, I'm going to scroll up to the bottom of this email so you can see the prices. Now, subtotal. I've got a subtotal of $60.86. I had $1 for shipping. They give you free shipping at certain levels of purchases, and I happen to be at the $1 level today. Also, there's a discount. Basically, I had a 50% off discount code, and I made that work for me. So, I am getting all of this great stuff shipped for $31.43 right there. Isn't that incredible? So let me see how many items altogether. I've got 3, 7, and 11. 11 items of clothing. See, there's my 11 right there. 11 items of nice name brand. Talbot's, LL Bean, Urban Pipeline, Fila pants for my son. 11 items for $31.43. I mean, friends, seriously, that is less than $3 a piece. That is a total bargain. Now, down here it tells you how you can know about your order. They'll give you the tracking information, all of that type of thing. I really encourage you to try it out. Don't ever pay full price at Schoola. It's just not necessary. There is always some kind of amazing discount code going around just about every week. It seems like I get an email in my email box. I never ever pay full price. But when you see, okay, I'm getting some killer shirts here, $3 a piece with a 50% discount. That's $1.50 for a Talbot shirt, or $1.50 for LL Bean, which is really nice. I like LL Bean quality and Talbot's quality. They don't fade, they don't shrink like a lot of other brands will. And I like these simple pullover knit shirts. So that's what I'm going to be getting. When these show up in the mail, I would like to do an unboxing video for you to add to this video. So give me a few and I will get back and finish this video for you so you can actually see what it looks like in person. Thanks. Hi YouTubers, this is the bag from thredUP. I am going to, if I can get it in focus, I'm going to open this up. It takes 2 hands, so I'm going to have to put the phone down from recording, and I'm going to open it up, and then I'm going to try to show you what I got from thredUP in the bag. Hold on tight. Okay, so here are the 2 boys' pants. These are for my youngest son. Urban Pipeline, look like cargo pants in a camo pattern. And the size is not easily found. Wait, there it is, 8. Okay, so size 8 on that. And then these are Fila Sport, and they are, what size? Let's see, peel off. See, ThreadUp puts a little sticker on each item because it helps them with their inventory management. So this is size 8. And then here's all of my shirts that I got. Remember, I got a lot of Talbots. It's the Talbots. And I think that my phone is showing it a little bit of washed out color the way I'm looking at it in my viewfinder. This is actually a little bit more of an aqua color. It's not just light blue. I'm not sure how it's coming across on your screen, but this is really a more aqua color. It's got some more yellow undertones that you may not be able to see on the screen. So this is Talbot's. That's cute. This is Talbot's, and it's a long sleeve red shirt. That is cute. I like that. Let's see, what next? Green. This is also Talbot's. This is a long sleeve green shirt. And what is this? This is also Talbot's, and it's size large, long sleeve green sweater. And what else? LL Bean. So if I pull off the little sticker, you will see. Okay, LL Bean. There we go. This is a short sleeve. This is like a grayish blue, like a dusty blue color. I like that. Talbot's. This is a hot pink with a little ruffly collar, short sleeve shirt. And then what else? We have a Talbot's large sweater. Hold on one second. Bear with me, please. Okay. So this is a long sleeve Talbot's sweater. And what else? We've got, I think, 2 more items here. Let me flip it over. Okay. Let's see. This is my LL Bean shirt. This is long sleeve and gray. I don't think I'm gonna fit in this. This is not for me. Ha ha ha, that's funny. This is size medium 10-12. This is actually for one of my sons. I thought that looked a little short and like it wasn't gonna be the right size, but that's because it wasn't for me. Not everything in here on this stack is for me. And then LL Bean, regular size, large, beautiful black color shirt. And these look brand new. A lot of times people send in their clothes to ThreadUp that they've never worn, so they don't have tags on them, but maybe people intended to wear them or got them as gifts or something and it just wasn't their style. So I'm really happy with this, and so you can just peel off these tags super easy. Let's see, like that. So what was that, like 11, I want to say 11 items for under 40 bucks. I mean, I don't even remember off the top of my head what I said the price was, but I'm sure I said it at the front of this video. So there you go. I hope that gives you some inspiration. I will say this, some of those things for me, the tops, some of them were marked petite, and that was not listed on the ThreadUp website. They were just listed as size large. I'm definitely not a petite. So we will see how short these are, or how short they are on the arms when I put them on the long sleeve ones. They may be able, sometimes I can wear a petite if I wear it as like a 3/4 length sleeve, but if it comes too short to hit around my waist, then I might not. I'll just pass it on. But at any case, even if I pass on 1, 2, 3 items out of this batch, you know, I've basically gotten what, like 8, 9, 10 items of clothing for less than 40 bucks of top quality Talbots and LL Bean and Fila and Urban Pipeline, so I'm happy either way. All right, well, I hope you guys are inspired. I'll put a link to ThreadUp down in the description below. Click like, click subscribe, leave me some comments. I would love to read what you guys have to say. And until next time, that's how I'm doing it.